Hello students, this is Subroto Ghosh. Today we will be learning the price relative index. Price relative is defined by Pn by P0 into 100. Pn is the price of the current year, P0 is the price of the base year. There are mainly two measures of price relative. One is simple average of price relative index, another one is weighted average of price relative index. However, now I will be showing you how simple average or simple arithmetic mean of price relative index, and the formula is summation Pn by P0 into 100 divided by K. Here K is the number of commodities or number of items in the problem. Now we will understand this method by a problem, and the problem is, suppose this is the problem given. There are 4 commodities and whose base price and current price is given for each and every commodity. We have to find out the simple average of price index. For that, firstly we will calculate the price relative, then we will apply this formula, and price relative is computed by using this formula. Okay, for that you have to make a table. To save your time, I have made this table. Okay, now we will put the value in the table. What is the price? This price 35, 30, 40, 107. Now we will put this value in the table. $35, it is 30, it is 40, it is 107, and Pn is what? 42, 35, 38, 120. It is 42, 35, 38, 120. Now we will calculate the price relative, and we know price relative is calculated by Pn by P0 into 100. In first case, Pn is 42 by 35 into 100. In this case, 35 by 30 into 100. Here 38 by 40 into 100. Here 120 by 107 into 100. Now we will calculate the price relatives. If we put all this value in the calculator, we will get, it is 120, it is 116.67, it is 38 by 40 into 100, it is 95, and this is 120 by 107 into 100. Put this value in the calculator, you will get it is 112.15. Okay, now these are the price relatives. Now what is the demand of the formula? Demand of the formula is sum of Pn by P0 into 100. Now if we sum up all this value, we will get 443.82. Okay, so we have already got. And how many commodities are there? 1 2 3 4. It means K equals to 4. Now we will put this value in the formula. What is the formula? Formula is simple average of price relative index equals to summation Pn by P0 into 100 by K. What is the Pn by P0 into 100? Is 4. After putting this value in the formula, we get 443.82 by 4. Now if we put all this value in the calculator, we will get 110.96. That is the simple average of price relative index. In other words, you can say this is the simple arithmetic mean of price relative index. In this way, we can calculate the simple AM or simple average of price relative index. This is the result, and this is the table. Okay, and the problem was this. It means our question was constructing index number by simple average of price relative index. For that, we have made this table and putting this value in the formula, we have got this result. This is the way of constructing price relative by simple average of price relative index. Hope you understood the method. Thank you for watching the video.